Hello, and welcome to 100 Seconds with Larry Weiss, founder of Linescale. We've included 5 short videos below to help you understand what Linescale is and how it's used. But anytime, use the link below to schedule personal time with us. Larry, good morning. How is Linescale used in marketing and ideation?
Well, companies generally have at least one of 3 problems. One of them is there's just too many ideas. Everybody's got ideas and they want to bring them forward. And how do you kill the bad ones, both politically as well as functionally? You really need to sort them out. Linescale does that. It's one of the few methods I've seen where someone can get a 0. We've had credit cards that have gotten 0s. Those have not moved forward. So Linescale will help you sort out. The next problem is not enough ideas, not enough good ones. Linescale is a method. It's not a research tool. It is a method of thinking. And what it does is instead of focusing you on what am I trying to do, what it does is what am I trying to replace? That is, what is it that people are doing today, whether it's a home remedy, a product, a service, that you need, your focus is on how do I replace this? And that changes how you think about what you're doing and the scale at which you think about it. So it frees your thinking to avoid the smallness, a lot of small ideas that are safe, and let you look for the big one that may be risky, but maybe the one that changes things in a very positive way against your objectives. But that also brings up the third objective. You need evidence. You can't do something that's not safe unless you've got solid evidence for it. You can't even do poor things unless you have evidence for them. So Linescale provides very clear what we call a dependent variable, the acceptor score. How many people who currently have the problem or the need are willing to replace what they're currently doing with your new idea? This gives you solid evidence so that it organizes the organization so that as a management system, it all works together to produce this one idea because people believe in it. Unless people believe in something, they aren't going to work to make it happen.
Larry, many thanks. There are short videos on using Linescale for product market fit, growing loyalty programs, meeting financial plans. Scroll down and click on any of the videos below for another 100 seconds with Larry, or use the link below to schedule a demonstration. Thanks for joining another 100 seconds with Larry Weiss, founder of Linescale.